Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna talk about Crazy Snake and the ways you can win money, passive income. First, when you start the game, if you go here to NFT gallery, you see I have some green, one blue that I'm using for fighting, one blue, another one green, another one blue on staking, another one green. But if you just started the game, you have nothing here. When you're going here on NFT gallery, you have it empty. How do you start winning NFTs and money? First, you have on the right corner bottom welfare center. Here you have some free draws every day, and you can win prizes. Let me close it. That goes to your backpack, and for example with egg prizes, when you collected 20 pieces you make one egg. Yes, with those egg pieces, what you do with this egg, you go to market and you have crazy egg. When you have one crazy egg and you don't have money, nothing, you just collected the parts in the backpack, egg pieces, yes, you're gonna go to market and you can buy one egg from here. Not enough, but you're gonna have available one to buy. After you buy one, you go to your backpack, you're gonna see the egg here between your items, and you're gonna open it. You just press on open here in the backpack between items. You're gonna have option to select it. I don't have now to show you, maybe I'm gonna show you again in a few days. You select it and you open it, and it's gonna give you 100%. Let's go to market to show you what is giving you. It's gonna give you a common NFT, the green ones, with 98% chance to get it, but you have 1.5 chance to get a good one and 0.5 chance to get an excellent one. I'm sure you're gonna get a lot of, let's go to my NFTs, a lot of green ones like this one for example, but it's gonna be level 1 and stacking power, hash power is 1. Let me see the burger. Yes, like this one, level 1, and hash power, the purple one, is gonna be 1. And you're gonna use it here to play. Look, when you go in your NFT gallery, I just click one time and I'm switching which one I want to use for battle. I'm using the one that you just got from your egg, yes? And you start one of the games, endless mode or survival. And while you are playing, you are getting progress, and with progress you are winning money. Look here on the right. When you win more money added to your account, you can do more things. You can go to NFT market and buy a more powerful NFT that it's gonna bring you more passive income. How? You go to stacking and press on plus here and you add your NFT to stacking. Let's see what is mine doing. Here on the left I have to be claimed 0.07, but you cannot claim until it's green. After a while it's gonna be green. When it's gonna have 0.01, 0.02, I can claim it. I press on claim and I can claim it, and it adds up here to the amount of that I hold. With this you're gonna use that money or to withdraw them or to get from raffle more items that goes to your backpack, where you're gonna get items to grow your NFTs. For example, I go to my NFT galleries. No, I go to evolve I choose an NFT to upgrade. I choose this one, and you buy here food, my feed pack. If you see, you press on buy, and you use from the money you just won from ranking, yes, and from stacking to buy, to evolve your NFTs. When you're gonna have food here, I don't have food here, it's offering me the chance to buy, but I want to collect more money. First, you make your NFT stronger. Let's switch it, and you make it level 5, for example, with hash rate 26. Let's go to NFTs, to go to my B, and let's go to stacking. Hash power, I have 30, if you see on the left here, yes, because it has initial hash power 30. When you grow it in your, let's go back, in your evolve, with the money that you just won from ranking from here, yes, you're winning money from ranking, you're winning money from stacking, you press claim and you take them, and you go to evolve, you buy food, you grow your NFTs and gains more power to gain more money from stacking. You understand? Anyway, if you don't understand something, write me down in the comments, and I'm gonna explain you. I'm gonna answer you. So let's recap. You start the game. You spin the welfare center. You go to welfare center here on the right. You spin. You're gonna have at the beginning 15 for free every day. You're gonna get parts of the eggs that goes to the backpack. Yes, you collect the egg prices and you make synthesis when you have 20. When you make an egg, one second, when you make one egg, you come here, you buy it, you take it, yes, you have it in your backpack, you open the egg, and it's gonna bring you one NFT that you're gonna have in the NFT gallery here, yes, and it's gonna be level 1 with hash power, the purple one on the left here, 1. You start playing with it, endless mode and survival mode, and you spin the wheel here to get free money and the parts and items and food you are getting for your NFTs, and you go to evolve, and with the food you accumulate from games and spin, you feed your NFT and gains level and hash rate. After you're getting enough hash rate, what you consider it's enough, I don't know, I have 30 hash rate on this one, and it made today 0.7, I claimed yesterday 0.7. It's gonna make 0.1, 0.2 every day, bigger it is. I intend to grow now the next one that I have on got the gallery, the B, to make bigger hash rate, even double, and after I remove that one from stacking, I'm gonna remove this one, I'm gonna use it to play and to grow it, and after I add the other one and I switch them and grow bigger the next one always. But you're gonna start, as I told you, with a green one. After that you're gonna make more money, you can buy from NFTs, you go to NFT market here and you're gonna buy epic NFTs maybe, if you make enough money. Only 3 available. A lot of money. Rare NFTs, only 4. Excellent NFTs, look how many. You collect 950 euro coins and you buy this one, for example. Buy now. It has 115 hash power, it's level 10, it's for sale. It's gonna make 4 times more than the blue that I have in on stacking now. It's gonna make 4 times than this one. passive income. That's it. You connect your wallet, you're gonna everything is very intuitive. Everywhere it's very intuitive. Also you have token stacking. When you collect enough gold coins, euro coins, you go to stacking, you stake, you put your amount here, it's minimum 100. You put it for 1 year and you're gonna get in 1 year 500 plus your 100, so 600. It shows here some details. What are the benefits? You can stop the video now and read what you are winning in how many days. You have the annual return here on the right. In 2 years, for example, it's 189. For 1 month, 189. 7 days, 189. For 1 year, 189. It's fixed. Okay, what's the advantage when you're making stacking? When you are stacking, you go to market and you have crazy box. 1 second for blockchain because the game is on blockchain to make confirmation. You're gonna have an opportunity to buy from here. How to subscribe to crazy boxes to buy them? First, let me show you what is giving to you. If you buy, here is telling you when. Here, you're getting a good chance to get a good NFT, 55%, and excellent, 39%. The blue and the purple ones. But you can only buy this box. How to subscribe to stake? You put, I added for 1 year, for example, and I'm getting from stacking to buy from market crazy box. For example, next round is gonna be on 5 December 2022, in a few days now, in 5 days, 6 days. And it's gonna appear here how many boxes I can buy. If I have less than 3,000, I'm gonna have 3 boxes. But if you add more euro gold, this coin, you're gonna have more chances. I'm gonna have 3 boxes. On next, I'm gonna have the opportunity to buy. So until then, I have to make more money. I'm gonna have to make more money. This one that I have only 5 now, because I just got today 1 NFT, and I have to collect more money. More you collect, more you play, more you put on stacking, more you put on token stacking. You're getting more eggs, more crazy boxes. You spin more. Every time you come here, it's connecting to your blockchain. You spin more, the wheel every day, you're playing more games, and you are gaining more and more, and you are growing. And at some point when you want, you go to NFTs, you sell everything, you get out your money and finish. If you don't want to win, that the purpose of this game is to put more NFTs on stacking and tokens on stacking as much as possible to gain more NFTs that you put for stacking, and you're getting coins, rewards. That's the purpose of this game. To get NFTs, to collect more NFTs here, to unlock them, to put them on stacking, and to bring you more coins, to claim them, and to take your passive income off at the end. I need 10 crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it next time. So if you have questions, ask me down in the comments and I'm gonna be happy to help you. It takes time, this game, but it's fun. Let me show you a little how is the snake, how you play it. And you have to kill your enemies. You can speed up. Let's try to kill one enemy. I died. Okay. You got the idea how it is, and I'm winning. Look, it's growing this progress bar, and you are gaining food for your NFTs. You're going to evolve. You select your NFT here. For example, next time I'm gonna grow this one. You give him food that you want from playing, and you're making it stronger. You're spinning this again, and more and more and more. You're gonna get used to it. If you get those basics, everything is gonna be fine. Thanks for watching. have fun. I hope you are gonna make a lot of money if you're gonna discover more secrets. Write me down in the comments and I'm gonna add them in the next video. Bye.